Welcome to another exciting episode on MVP Auto. Today, we have something truly special for you, the Maserati MC20. This is not just a car, it's a statement. A perfect blend of Italian craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and raw performance. At first glance, the MC20 looks like it's ready to dominate the road and the track. The sleek, aerodynamic design is all about performance. Those aggressive lines on the hood, the low slung stance, and the massive front grille with the iconic Maserati Triton logo demand attention. Every detail of this car screams speed, precision, and elegance. Moving around the car, the side profile is just as stunning. The sculpted bodywork channels air seamlessly, enhancing both aerodynamics and cooling. And then, there's one of the biggest highlights, the butterfly doors. They don't just look incredible, they're designed for better access and improved airflow. It's a perfect mix of style and function. Now, let's talk about what makes the MC20 a true performance beast. Under the hood, or rather, right behind the driver, sits a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, known as the Nettuno. This power plant produces a staggering 630 horsepower and 730 Nm of torque. The result? A blistering 0 to 100 km/h time of just 2.9 seconds. That's hypercar territory. With a top speed of over 325 km/h, this is Maserati's fastest production car yet. But speed isn't everything. The MC20 is built with a lightweight carbon fiber monocoque, making it incredibly agile and responsive. Whether you're on a racetrack or winding mountain roads, this car stays planted, offering precise handling and an exhilarating driving experience. The suspension setup ensures a perfect balance between comfort and performance, so it's not just a track monster, it's something you can actually enjoy on the road. Step inside, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit. The interior is a beautiful mix of carbon fiber, Alcantara, and premium leather. Everything is designed to keep distractions minimal while maximizing the driving experience. A fully digital instrument cluster, a sleek infotainment system, and a flat-bottomed steering wheel with paddle shifters put everything right at your fingertips. And then, there's the sound. The moment you fire up the engine, the MC20 roars to life with an aggressive yet refined exhaust note. It's the kind of sound that turns heads and sends shivers down your spine. Whether cruising or pushing it to the limit, this car makes sure you feel every bit of its power. So, is the Maserati MC20 the perfect supercar? It's lightweight, insanely powerful, beautifully designed, and packed with technology. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more incredible car content. See you in the next one.